That's why our goal must be to spend these precious dollars with unprecedented accountability, responsibility, and transparency, and ensure that all of this is done with an unprecedented level of transparency and accountability. I have assigned a team of managers to make sure that precious tax dollars are invested wisely and well. In the end, that's what being a parent is all about. Those precious moments with our children that fill us with pride and excitement for their future. The chances we have to set an example or offer a piece of advice. The opportunities to just be there and show them that we love them. Our time here is limited, and it is precious. In the midst of all our busy and noisy lives, these holy days afford us the precious opportunity to slow down and spend some quiet moments in prayer and reflection. They gave America the most precious thing they had, the last full measure of devotion. And because they did, we are who we are today, a free and prosperous nation, the greatest in the world. Wednesday is Earth Day, a day to appreciate and protect this precious planet we call home.
The time has come to reaffirm our enduring spirit, to choose our better history, to carry forward that precious gift, that noble idea passed on from generation to generation, the God-given promise that all are equal, all are free, and all deserve a chance to pursue their full measure of happiness.
Nothing else that knowledge should give us faith, that through our collective labor and God's providence and our willingness to shoulder each other's burdens, America will continue on its precious journey towards that more perfect union. And this balance brings with it a precious responsibility. It reminds us all the meaning of valor. It reminds us all of our own obligations to one another. It recounts that most precious aspect of our history and tells us that we will only rise or fall together. And that bond between, a parent and a child is something that, is precious. Through tour after tour of duty, our troops have overcome every obstacle to extend this precious opportunity to the Iraqi people. Our people are our most precious resource. That's our most precious resource. His name is Courage. He traveled here from Goldsboro, North Carolina, where he was raised under Walter's own precious care. And we've made immense progress since that day. From the landmark legislation of the 1970s, the Clean Air and the Clean Water Act, to the conservation of America's precious landscapes. I know democracy we have is a precious thing. For all the obviously, there's precious wildlife in the area, even though you see a whole bunch of oil rigs in the background.